Hey everybody, come with Mason and Holden as we set up for an open house. So first off, stopping at ShopRite to grab some mini water bottles. Boom, first try, like a boss. And putting all that in the truck. And we're gonna head over to the property. So just driving there, it's only about 3-4 minutes away, great location. I got there before Mason, so I'm gonna take out some of the signs, some of the directionals, set those up before he gets there. And let's not forget about those water bottles either, super important. And here comes Mason. Everyone comment, "Cool truck, Mason," down below, because it is. We put out the open house flutter flag so everyone can see where it is. You have to go down this path to get there, so that's where these directionals really come in handy. The house is nice and secluded. We have the double lock. And in the winter time, the first thing you gotta do is turn the heat on so everyone's comfortable. And we opened up the blinds, got the natural light coming in to really make the place feel like a home. And setting up all the paperwork, all the listing information, and the sign-in sheet on the iPad, and Mason's business cards. And Mason's going through the house to, whoa, watch your step there, big guy.
Yeah, I did.
Going through the house to turn on all of the lights, make sure everything is lit up and it presents itself in the best possible way. Look at that hustle. And turning on some music, just a light, kind of a barroom jazz almost, just so it's not that quiet. And holy cow, look at him chug that water. Well, that's an insane time. And afterwards, closing everything up, putting the house back the way we found it, turning off all the lights, leaving the seller some paperwork, and just leaving it how we found it in the best way, turning off all these lights. And then Mason's going to be closing up the blinds for us.
I feel the heat.
Nice. Just like that. Oh boy. And then you put two brothers in a room for too long and there's gonna be some shenanigans. I mean, it's pretty impressive when you think about it. It'd be cooler if he was able to do it in one shot, but maybe one day. And teamwork makes the dream work. Let's put that back on. Nice and secure. And as you can see in his hand, he did drop some on the way out. So then picking up all these directional signs, I dropped those off at the office afterwards. And then the flutter flag, the cool thing about it is it comes apart in pieces. Well, not when you break it like that, Mason. But the whole rod comes apart and it stores very nicely. So it makes it convenient to put it out and store it.
You didn't get the water bottles when Cam did. No, I didn't.
And then just going to throw away the rest of our trash in the dumpster. And Mason's going to pack that flutter flag up.
Thank you for coming to our open house today.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you really liked this. Please comment down below your thoughts and be sure to subscribe as well. We really appreciate all the feedback.